Alright. Let's see what happens when we toss French fries at the birds. Birds. French fry.
Oh no. I am a French fry. Look at all the birds. I hope they don't eat me. They're gonna fucking... What's that over there? Oh no, they seem to have recognized me. Please, please. No, I leap to my death. Wah! Whoa! You have killed my brother, but you will not kill me, you fucking birds. Fuck you, birds. You will not eat me. No, Jim, my death comes to me. Oh yes. Why are we all Spanish? It does not make any sense. We are Spanish stereotypes, and we are blurry when you're close, but then you step further back and it's fucking birds! Ah! You know, if the birds eat me and this stupid fat man holding the phone does not eat me, then that means the birds will be fat and the fat man will be less fat, perhaps. And then it's to my death! Ah! So you want to eat me, huh? You want to eat me? You want to eat me because I am a French fry? Now we are French, like fries. We probably should have been French to begin with because it's French fries, not Mexican fries. Well, choose straight, motherfuckers. Ah, fuck. Shut up, you'll get some. You want some? Here. Yeah. Fuck, get away from my car. We're fucking birds. We want French fries. Fuck you.
Alright, guys.
I seem to be the last French fry. Where will I go? Will I go to the birds? Or will I go to the fat man holding the phone? I have a little fry face. I look at the birds. I look at the fat man holding the phone. I look back at the birds. I look back at the fat man, and then it's surprise death.